Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be doing a week 1 check-in on our first paycheck in November, as well as stuffing our second week cash envelopes. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. For our paycheck from October the 27th through November the 9th. In week 1, $216.02 for our utilities came out. $149 for our Chase card came out, which was an overage of 67 cents. $28 for Terminex came out, which was a difference of 18 cents. $48 for our GMP came out, and $13.12 for our Canva Pro. That came up to a total of $454.14. leaving us $999.51, which will be carried over to week 2. In our cash envelopes for week 1, we spent $135 in groceries, $150 in gas, and that is because we took my mom to meet my sister in Mississippi. We were taking her to Texas because she's going on a cruise. $15 in lunch, $15 in personal, nothing in miscellaneous, and nothing in household. That came up to $315, leaving us a balance of $295, which will be rolled over to week 2. In our income versus our expenses, our income was $2,163.65, minus the expenses of $454.14, minus the cash envelopes of $315, and minus the sinking funds of $100. That left us a balance of $1,294.51, which will be rolled over to week 2. So fam, that is all with the budget update portion of our video. Now we will go on to see how much we saved and stuffed week 2's cash envelopes. In household, we saved $10. In miscellaneous, we saved $10. I saved $15 in my lunch. And $15 in my personal. Says $10, $20, $30, $40, $45, $50 that we saved this week. And let's see what we will be stuffing. So it gives us 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. $170 is what we're going to be stuffing. And we're going to start with our cash envelopes, and household is going to get $10. Miscellaneous is also going to get $10. I'm going to get $15 for my lunch. And $15 for my personal. I'm going to put my envelopes to the side, and my husband's going to get 10, 15 for his lunch, and 10, 15 for his personal. So it gives us 10, 20, 25, $30, and we're going to put that to the side until I'm ready to give it to him. So we're going to start with our cash envelopes. In our sinking funds, my beauty is going to get the 30 that I saved, 10, 20, 25, 30. And I do get my nails done tomorrow. I'm trying to decide when I'm going to take a break on my nails, and I will probably just use press-ons for a while just to let my nails breathe. So it gives me 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, and 100 in beauty. My mom's final expenses, my sister and brother sent down some money. So that will be getting $40. So that gives my mom's final expenses 5, 6, 20, 40, 55, $655. And I do need to update these sheets. Backup funds is going to get $15. So it gives us 1,000, 100, 50, 70, 90, 210, 20, 25, 30. $1,230 in backup funds. And that is all for this binder. And the last $5 will go into Christmas. So it gives us 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 37, 39, $339 in Christmas. And that is all for this binder. So fam, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.